Setting up your Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty is easy. First, set up your charging dock. Use the cord wrap behind the dock to shorten the cord as needed. The power indicator will light up when plugged in. Place the base in an open area that can easily be accessed by your robot. The more room in front of your dock without any obstructions, the better. Remove any protective plastic from your robot's sensors. Then turn it over and install the 2 side brushes. Press the power switch on the side of the robot to the on position and then place it on the dock to charge. While the robot is charging, the 2 blue LED lights will cycle. When charging is complete, both blue lights will be solid. Next, prepare your home for cleaning. Remove all obstacles, such as loose power cords, clothes, toys, and low-hanging drapes. Then set up the Shark app to control your Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty. Once the robot is charged, press Clean to send it to action. As it cleans, your robot will automatically create a map of your home, separating it into specific rooms like the living room, bedroom, or kitchen. After a few cleaning sessions, this map will allow you to select specific rooms to clean immediately, or you can set cleaning schedules for the whole house. Do not lift the robot while it's cleaning, as that could interfere with its ability to create a map and clean your home effectively. If the robot gets stuck during cleaning, free the robot manually and place it within 1 foot of its last cleaning spot. With the Recharge and Resume feature, your robot will return to the dock, recharge, and can pick up where it left off. For additional information, visit the Help section of your app or sharkclean.com.